Hi, sorry. I'm new to the park. Can you please explain to me the rules and everything, or what I need to do?
Yes. So, firstly, we need your age, please.
Okay, I am 33 years old.
That's good. Can you, if it's possible, please read out the rules? If you cannot
Yeah.
read it on your own, I can read it out for you.
Okay, yeah, I can definitely do that for you. So it says guest rules. Question, do I read everything, or do I just read the highlighted parts?
The red and the yellow.
So I gotta read the guest rules, right? So it says no touching actors, no pointing out actors, no scary avatars, no spoilers or trolling, no exploits or glitches, no mics or soundboard spams, no hate speech or harassment, no inappropriate behavior. Follow staff instructions. Rule breakers may be removed. Is that correct?
Yes. Do you understand by
Okay.
breaking any of these rules, depending how simple your action, you may be kicked or banned from the group?
Yes, I understand that. May I? Yeah, I do understand that. I agree to terms.
Okay, then you're good to go. Have a
Cool.
terrifying night at StreamWorks.